Have you received a message like this one? 100% sure shot call, 100% guaranteed call. Buy this stock today at this level. It is going to go up, it is going to go down, and then a contact number is given so you can call them and join their paid call services. Well, you probably do receive such messages because I definitely do, and so many people around the globe receive messages like this one. The problem is, not many people realize that this is a scam. Not many people realize this is a fraud because people have actually experienced making money on these calls. And that is the exact reason why people do not believe that this is a scam. So let me uncover everything in this video. Let me tell you how this scam works and how you can save yourself from getting into this fraud. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Shrish here from Trading Explained. So without any further ado, let's begin. So let's start the video by understanding the work that scamsters themselves put into this scam. So they start off by circulating these messages to probably thousands and lakhs of people all at once. Okay, let's just assume for example purpose that they are circulating these messages to 1 lakh people, alright? Now out of those 1 lakh people, there are going to be 10% of the people, there are going to be 10,000 people who are actually going to contact them. There's a contact number in the message, right? So these people are actually going to click on that number and call them. And now these scamsters have 10,000 people ready to pay them at their service. The problem is these customers, these people are not sure. They are not sure whether or not they should be joining their services. So what the scamsters will do, they will tell that they have a 3-day demo. And only if you make money in this free 3-day demo, that demo is going to be free. So if you make money in that free 3-day demo, only and only then you can join our paid call services. Otherwise you can just block it out. So now think as a customer, like think yourself as a customer, what would you do? Like you are getting a free taste of what you're going to get offered, and you will say why not? Like 3 days free calls, why not? Let's just take it. So the demo is where the trap is. Out of 10,000, let's say 5,000 people are actually acting on that demo. 5,000 people actually say yes to demo. There are going to be more, probably 10,000. Every person in that 10,000 is going to say yes for the demo. But let's just cut it out. Let's just say 5,000 people actually say yes to demo. So now this is where the scam begins. What is a scam? So they will choose one particular high beta stock. What is a high beta stock? Which will definitely move in one particular direction in any day, like Zeal Entertainment or iBull Housing Finance or any particular that stock. I'm not giving these are the stocks, I'm just giving examples. So they will choose some high beta stocks, and now out of those 5,000 people they will create two groups, group A and group B. Now they will put 2,500 people over here, 2,500 people over here, and they will choose one stock. Let's just say they choose Vedanta, okay, Vedanta Limited, and now they will tell these 2,500 people to buy Vedanta, and then tell these 2,500 people to sell Vedanta. Now because these are the stocks that are high beta stocks, these are the stocks that are going to show some kind of movement in any particular day. Out of these 5,000 people, there are going to be 2,500 people who actually are going to make money on that day. Let's just say Vedanta ends up to 2% on the higher side. Let's just say when Vedanta closes plus 2%. So these 2,500 people to whom these people actually said that to buy Vedanta, these people are going to believe that this is actually a 100% sure shot call because these people told me to buy Vedanta and Vedanta went up today. But what about the other 2,500 people? So these 2,500 people, they are actually going to block them. They're actually going to just cut it out. They're just going to leave it right there. So out of those 5,000, these people now only have 2,500, and the remaining 2,500, they will act as if they never knew you, they never called you, they never messaged you. They literally forget about you. So now again, out of these 2,500 people, they are going to do two groups for the day 2. Okay, one call a day. First day done, these 2,500 people made money. Great, they are going to be very excited for the second day because they are making money. For the day 2, they will choose similar stock and then again do two groups. Group A, 1,250 people. Group 2, 1,250 people. Again same stuff happens. Choose a stock, tell these people to buy, tell these people to sell. Now let's just say that stock closes minus 2% for the day. So these people make money, group B makes money. So they are literally going to forget that group A ever existed. They are literally going to forget you if you were in the group A. They never called you, they never knew you. For them, what matters is ultimately these 1,250 people that are left. For day 3, now imagine you as a customer. For day 3, you have been making money for 2 consecutive days from someone who claims to be profitable 100% of the time, and now you are actually experiencing it. What would you think? You would think that this guy is doing magics in market. This guy is the one which I needed. This guy is the Superman which I always wanted, and he is going to make me rich. This is exactly what each and every person in that 1,250 people is going to think like. Now imagine what happens on day 3. Day 3, same stuff happens. Out of this 1250 people, they again make 2 groups, 625 here, 625 there, and again choose some kind of stock, and will tell these people to buy, will tell these people to sell. That stock might go up or down, and based on that, they will have 625 people at the end after sending messages to 1 lakh people. This is just an example. I'm just telling you, they do it on a way larger number than we can even think of. They deal in crores. Okay, so 625 people are now remaining, because again some on day 3 they chose some random stock, gave buy to these people, sell to these people. Let's just say the stock closed minus 3% for the day. So these 625 people never existed. Boom, gone. They never knew these people. So now they will never receive their calls. They will never message you again. So these are the 625 people, golden people, that the scamsters were actually looking forward to. Out of those 1,10,000 registered, out of those 10,000, 5,000 actually said yes for a demo, and out of those 5,000, after doing all this drama and scam, 625 people were actually the ones, the luckiest ones, who made money on 3 consecutive days purely based on luck. And now they are feeling that they are on the top of the world. They have received money because someone's analysis worked for them. Trust me, these guys do not know a thing about markets. They are just fooling you, and but you do not know that, right? You feel that you made money because that guy analyzed markets in a correct way. And now these 625 people, how many do you think out of these 625 people are actually going to register? 625, I won't say all of them would register, but let's just cut it down to 300, right? At least 300 people, you would agree, right? At least 300 people, half of it would register for their paid call services after having 3 consecutive days of profit from someone who is claiming to be 100% profitable in markets, right? So now they will say, okay, our monthly paid call service is only 3,000 rupees. You pay us 3,000 rupees and you can enjoy our services for the month. You can make 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, whatever you want to. We will only charge 3,000 rupees from you. So 300 people give 3,000 rupees to this scamster. What happens? 9 lakhs. Boom, there you go. These scamsters make 9 lakhs. This is just an example. I'm telling you, they deal in crores of people. They deal in way more people than we can even think of. This is the smallest example I took to explain you guys. 9 lakhs a month. 9 lakhs a month, right? Because these people are trapped now. These people paid the money, they cannot get it back. And after they pay the money, the 4th day that is there, meaning the first day of their paid call service, they are going to lose money. Because the calls that they provide are utter bullshit. They do not work. They are not based on any technical analysis. And you know, these paid call services, like if someone is actually giving you a call, why would he do so if he himself can make money in the markets? Isn't that a legit question? Like, why would you share your analysis and strategies that you do, the work that you put in? Why would you share that with us for a mere peanuts amount of money if you can make yourself lakhs of rupees from it, right? Isn't that a legit question? But people come into emotions. They do not think about all these logical things when they see profits, and then they enroll for these kind of scamsters. They enroll for these paid call services, and the moment they enroll, just after a couple of days, they realize that they have made a mistake, because there's nothing to it. There's no call that works. There's no analysis in the market that behind the call that they are providing, and soon enough they realize that they have been scammed. So when the next month appears, they find a new set of people who haven't received their messages, and then the same procedure keeps going on and on. Imagine making 9 and 10 lakh rupees per month, an average engineer is earning in India, an average engineer is earning somewhere around 3 lakhs per year after spending so much of time in education. And then there are these people who are earning 9 to 10 lakhs per month. Just I am telling you a very small number, they are actually earning in crores. So now think about it. Isn't this a big scam? What can we do about it? We can do nothing about it, except for the only thing that understand that these are scams. No one can get rich overnight. Stock market is not a gamble, but it requires your risk definition. It requires your understanding of the markets to make money. Just randomly, if you come in and place your bets, you're going to lose money. If you do that, that's a gamble. So understanding these basic things about finance will really help you to not get caught in these scams. The number one thing is to believe that it takes years to achieve success. No one is getting rich overnight. No one does. No one does. Trust me. And the second, stock market is a gamble for you if you're doing all these things. If you're not analyzing, if you're not defining your risk, if you're not disciplined enough, if you're not patient enough, if you're not controlling your emotions, then stock market is definitely a gamble. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked this video. I hope you understood something out of this video. And if you did, then make sure to smash the like button if you really did. And subscribe to the channel, because I keep coming back with such videos that revolve around trading psychology, consistency. Maybe we'll cover some scams as well in the future. Who knows? Whatever you guys demand. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, you guys take care. Bye bye. Peace out.